You've landed on the Moon Show. Why are 80% of all traders losing money? Well, I'm going to show you in this video exactly how you can get into the VIP Alpha and using WEEX and my link down below. Guys, this is going to change everything, so watch the full video. Seriously, the market is going up. Everyone is bullish and still most traders get wiped out. Here is the brutal truth. It is not because whales are smarter than you. It is because they are playing a completely different game. They have lower fees, faster execution, and most importantly, protection. Today, I am not talking about charts. I am sharing a hidden alpha that only the top 1% of traders use, the official WEEX VIP portal. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates from WEEX and others. Also, please note that nothing in this video is a financial advice. Before we dive in, make sure you click on my top link in the description to create your WEEX account. I have negotiated the best deal with WEEX for my community. WEEX is offering exclusive perks of up to $6,200 with my link. You will get a welcome airdrop of up to 500 USDT, a deposited bonus of up to 5,000 USDT, up to 200 USDT coverage on your first trade, and up to 500 USDT in weekly rebates. I will break down how you can get these rewards later in the video. Remember, this is only possible with my link in the description. So, what is the WEEX VIP portal? Being a VIP on WEEX is not just about bonuses, but about changing the entire trading environment. It is about bringing value to your trades that is beyond just money. Let's break it down and find out the value it brings. First, cost efficiency. WEEX offers a cost-effective VIP tier system to help traders save money. This way, whales are saving while retailers pay high fees. And remember, in trading, saved money is earned money. Second, speed. WEEX runs a high-performance matching system designed to process trading orders with a near instant response time of 1 millisecond. It effectively eliminates slippage even during periods of extreme market volatility. By leveraging advanced architecture, the engine can handle hundreds of thousands of transactions per second, ensuring the platform remains stable and responsive during volatile market conditions. For instance, during a flash market crash, 1 millisecond determines if you get filled or get liquidated. Third, psychological edge. Why do pros trade with confidence? This is because they have a safety net, and now I have unlocked that same setup for you. I have negotiated a professional setup for my community so you can stop trading naked and start trading like an elite. Listen carefully. I want you to understand every step. There are several tasks you need to complete to earn these rewards. Let's dive deep into the rewards with precision and logic. So the first task is to upgrade and get a welcome reward. For this, you click on my link in the description and create your account on WEEX. The process is simple and just takes a few minutes. You just have to provide your email, create a strong password, and follow the procedure. If you want to watch these steps in detail, you can watch my detailed WEEX tutorial where I explain them. I have put its link in the description. Once you sign up, the next thing you need to do is upgrade to VIP 1. There are 4 key metrics through which you can upgrade to VIP 1. You can have a 30-day futures trading volume of 1 million USDT or more, a 30-day spot trading volume of 500,000 USDT or more, hold 5,000 WXT, WEEX native token or more, or have a minimum 5-day average asset balance of 10,000 USDT. Meeting the requirement of any single metric will promote you to the corresponding VIP tier. Once you meet any of these requirements, you can upgrade to VIP 1 and get your additional 10 to 500 USDT airdrop. This is what I call house money. You literally get paid just for showing up. The second task is to make a deposit and unlock the bonus. It is more like adding fuel to the engine. Click deposit on the homepage and select the on-chain deposit method. Next, select USDT and the deposit network, like ERC20. Copy the deposit address and transfer at least 100 USDT to your wallet. Start trading to reach 1000 USDT trade volume. Once done, you can unlock up to 5,000 USDT bonus. That is 5,000 in extra margin power. This is how whales scale positions. The third task is the first trade protection in futures trading. This is my favorite part. To open a trade, go to the futures tab in the menu bar, click on USDT margin futures, and it will take you to the corresponding interface. Click here and select the trading pair you want to trade. In this case, I have selected BTC against USDT. Go to the order panel and select the margin mode between cross and isolated. Next, click here and select the leverage, and you can select up to 400 times leverage. Remember, selecting a higher leverage poses a greater risk of liquidation, so always be careful about your leverage. Click here and select an order type such as a limit order. Enter the order amount, and you can also add take profit and stop loss to your order, which is optional. Review the order details and click either open long or open short to open a position. Now here's the magic. If your first trade loses, WEEX covers you up to 200 USDT. It is a risk-free shot at the market. Where retail traders can lose with just one mistake, VIP traders get a second chance. The bonuses do not stop here. The fourth task is a weekly rebate. If you hit a rough day and your account gets liquidated for over 2,000 USDT, you can get up to 500 USDT back weekly. This is what I call account insurance. Professionals don't just chase profit. In fact, they protect against downside risk. Now, listen carefully. This is not forever. The portal is only open from April 16th to May 16th, exactly 30 days, and only the first 100 to 1,000 users can unlock each reward. The elite circle does not wait for tomorrow. If you are watching this right now, get ready and participate. Do not be that guy who misses the window. So, the link is in the first line of the description. Click it to use the exclusive VIP portal. Do not use the standard sign up. You need the exclusive portal to get these specific rewards. Remember, this is only possible with my link in the description. Stop trading like a spectator, exiting liquidity, join the VIP league and trade with me. That's it from today's video. Please drop a like below this video and subscribe to my channel to get more exclusive campaigns and bonuses from top exchanges. I'll see you on the charts. Let's dominate this market together.